guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. So this video is going to be a get ready with me for the new year / end of year refresh. And what I'm going to be doing in this video is basically just like cleaning my room and getting my life together to prepare for the new year. I just want to add that there will be some important announcements later in this video, so if you want to hear those, please do stick to the end. So yeah, let's get into it. I've seen a lot of people clean in their refresh videos, and that made me ask myself why I'm even cleaning in the first place. Like, I haven't deep cleaned my room in a very long time, so it wasn't like I couldn't survive without a clean room, so why was I even cleaning? So I started this off by making my bed, which is kind of like the most basic thing you should do. But now I'm gonna move on to vacuuming my room and like wiping surfaces down and just getting rid of all the dust that's developed. Honestly, the main reason I was cleaning was to relieve stress. A lot of stress can build up from school, and you don't really realize how stressed you are until you relieve that stress, and cleaning was really that stress reliever for me. And the more I cleaned, the happier I felt, even if sometimes I couldn't visually see the difference. Just knowing that it was cleaner made me feel better. Another morning comes. The benefits of cleaning aren't limited to feeling better mentally though. Cleaning also supports a strong immune system and can improve your heart health, and as I've said in other videos, it can improve your productivity because a clean space means having an organized mind. I think if you haven't cleaned in a really long time, you can kind of lose that feeling of having an organized mind, and you'll get used to having like a more disorganized thought process. But the moment you get cleaning, it really starts clearing up and you realize how much you've been missing out on. So if you haven't yet done a deep clean this year or haven't refreshed for the new year, I totally recommend doing it when you find the time. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm tackling the bed desk that's been sitting in the corner of my room for like half a year now, and I think I've just been slowly collecting so many textbooks this year that I've just had nowhere to put them, and simply cleaning this one area made my whole room feel so much cleaner because the stack of books and papers on that bed desk were sort of an eyesore in the room, and it just made the overall room feel a whole lot messier even if you couldn't directly see it. Okay, so it's been a little bit because I took a break and also I just had dinner and did other stuff. As you saw in the past clips, I was vacuuming underneath my bed, and actually during that, the vacuum died, so I'm charging it. While that's happening, I'm probably just gonna wipe down my bed and my bedside table, and then when that's finished charging, or at least charging a little bit, I'm going to finish vacuuming under my bed because it's so dusty down there. I'm basically done with the cleaning section of the deep clean because I categorize cleaning into cleaning and organizing, so I just finished the cleaning section and now I'm going to move on to the organizing section. But before I do that, I just kind of want to get the whole cleaning done with. So I'm going to move on to my bathroom so I can get that cleaned, and then I'm going to move on to organizing my room. So now that I've finished vacuuming the bathroom, I'm going to move on to what I think is going to take the most time out of this whole process, which is cleaning out my closet and getting rid of the clothes that I'm not wearing. And when I say get rid of, I mean like donate or like sell secondhand. I'm going to be sorting them into definitely keep, maybe keep, and donate, and then I'll just go through all of it until there's no maybe section. this is basically the clothes that I want to donate or repurpose into something else. That's my stack of things that I might want to keep, and my closet is the things that I do want to keep or don't want to get rid of. Okay, so I'm gonna clean my bathroom now. Okay, I think I cleaned it as far as I could get, and this is what I have right now. I think it's pretty clean. So it's like 11 p.m. now, so I'm gonna go to bed, but I'm gonna finish everything tomorrow. These are the bags of clothes that I'm planning on selling, and I'm just gonna keep them here until I either sell them or no one buys them and I donate them. I put the rest of the clothes that I don't want to donate or sell in this bag. I'm just gonna do some last little organizing in my room, and then I'm gonna move on to my bathroom, and then I'll clean my electronics and I'll be done. Okay, so it's definitely not perfect, but I'd say that my room is so much more organized than before. Just looking at my desk space, it's so much cleaner. This desk space promotes studying and focus a lot better than what I had before. And generally, my room is just like cleaner, and I just feel better in this space than before now. Okay, so my bathroom isn't perfect either, but I'm pretty much done with that too. This is what it looks like as of right now. But now that I'm done cleaning my bathroom and my room, I think I can move on to doing digital stuff. So actually, the first thing I want to do before my digital clean out is go on a walk, because I desperately need to move my body and get exercise. Also, today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas, guys. So for cleaning out my computer, the first thing I'm going to be doing is updating Chrome, and then I'll be clearing my cache and deleting any cookies or my browsing history and stuff like that. And then I'll just be going through the rest of my computer, deleting unused files. Whoa. Okay, so this part of the video is going to be a reflection of the past year and kind of setting goals for the new year. Last year I set my goal to be that girl, which was like a really vague goal, which really didn't get me anywhere because there's no like set definition of that girl, and since it didn't follow any of the SMART goal, like specific, measurable, attainable, like it didn't follow any of that, so it was like really hard for me to pinpoint a way to be that girl. I didn't really feel like that great about myself the whole year. This year I want to be able to improve my own life and kind of just get my life together and be able to feel good about myself. That's like my general goal. I just want to be able to feel like I'm getting things done and not wake up at like 11:30 on weekends because I'm just so burnt out from the school week. Obviously there are more specific sub goals under that because I have to follow like the SMART goal kind of format in order to get things done, but that's a little bit too specific for this video. And then reflecting on my YouTube channel, this year I haven't uploaded that many videos, like 8 videos this year. That's like a really low number of videos, and I really prefer to be uploading more than 8 videos a year. But I also don't want to be uploading like bad content, but I kind of want to be able to grow my channel more this year. My aim is to upload more than 1 video a month, so maybe like 2 or 3 or 4 videos a month, and my real goal is 1 video a week, but that's my goal for this year. And I'll probably be uploading more like study videos, more vlogs, and if there's anything else you want to see from me, please comment down below because I'm really open to uploading more videos and getting more ideas. But the last thing I want to do for this video is Future Me. So if you don't know what Future Me is, it's this website that I've been using for the past 3 or 4 years, and basically what you do is you write a letter to your future self, and then you have the website send the email to you 6 months, 1 year, 3 year, 5 years, 10 years into the future. Generally, it's just like really nice to receive letters from yourself in the past. I just like using this website because I'm able to see my growth throughout the year or throughout the months, and I can kind of look back and see where I was before and see where I am now, and kind of reflect on how I could improve further, or reflect on what went wrong, what went well, like how my goals have been going. Okay, I sent the letter. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe with post notifications. If you watch all the way through this video, you'll know that I'm trying to upload at least once a month next year, so please stick around for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, which hopefully is in January. This video I try to stay away from making things like vision boards. I don't know about you guys, but when I look at a vision board, I'm just looking at it. Like the pictures don't really mean anything to me. With my closet refresh, I didn't get any new clothes because I don't think you need new clothes to start a new year. You kind of just need to make your space feel cleaner and just clear your head a little bit. This video video. It just goes to show that you don't need to spend a whole bunch of money to prepare for the new year.